Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going out to the streets in Oslo. Yes, we are going back, but today my focus is on taking some panning shots. So I will try to put my effort into doing some practice on that because I'm not good at it, so I need to repeat it and practice a lot, I think. Let's take a pause, take a break, drink some water. We are going to take some panning shots and I will put some settings on the screen so you can see what kind of settings you should use if you're gonna try out this by yourself. So I hope that can give you some value. And in the end of the video, we are going through the hashtags. The hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe. So if you use that hashtag, you can get your photos on this channel. So in the end of the video, we will go through 9 photos from the hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe. But enough talking. Let's go to the streets in Oslo and do some panning shots. Now I'm gonna try to take some panning shots with the 85mm. My setting is, yeah, I put them on screen. Boop. Let's try on that car. Oh, the focus is bad. One 40th of a second, f 3.2, ISO 160.
se du tar bilde?
Ja,
Ja.
jeg driver og øver på panning shot.
Ok, panning shot. Ok.
Ja.
Jeg tenkte hvis du kan ta bilde av min bil.
Ja, det kan jeg gjøre.
Ja.
Selvfølgelig.
Ja. Hvor kan du gjøre det?
Ja, greit. Kult. Jeg tar et bakfra da. Ok? Jeg kan sende bildene, ja.
Yes. Greit.
Tar du det?
Ja.
Kult.
Tusen takk. Ok.
Ja.
Ok.
Thank you.
Hyggelig.
So it's very many people just using the hashtag now, so I want to thank you all. It's so cool because my main goal is to build up a street photography community. I have a 5-year plan, so we are in the start of the first year. I'm gonna do minimum 1 video every week in 5 years, and when we hit that 5-year goal, I'm gonna travel around the world in a van, and maybe I can see some of you guys out in your countries. So let's hop into the hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe, and if you want to get on this channel, just use the hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe, and I put up 9 photos from you guys every video. So let's jump into the hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe, and I will go through the 9 recent posted photos. Yeah, let's see. Here we have Legend Diaries 12. It's a nice reflection shot. Wow. Cool that you're using that glass on the right side. Good one. And here we have Brederom. It's a photo from Oslo, near the Opera House, where I was filming last time. And it's a night shot. Really impressive. Good one. And here we have a macro photo. Whoa. insignificant food from Latvia. Wow. Cool shot. Thank you for using the hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe. One shot of two ladies in the streets at night from Alone Travel. Wow, that was a moody shot. Cool one. And there we have a nice photo from Joe Photographics. Wow. It's in the center of the frame, or what I can call it. And the man is really dressing up. Maybe he's going to a restaurant. Really nice shot. And wait, one more. Close up. Nice one. Love the edit. And here we have a dark, moody, black and white shot from Samuel Migularo. I love that vibe, and you frame that person that is coming in the shot really nice. Nice one. And here we have a nice shot from outside of Comfort Hotel Grand Central in Oslo. It's a rainy day with many umbrellas, I can see. It's from Adam Rabalski. I love the moody edit. Nice one. And here we are in downtown Manhattan. From Oslo to downtown Manhattan in New York. It's a photo from Hockey World. Really nice. I love the lights. Just pumping up that heaven. Wow. Really nice. And there we have a sunrise, or is it in the evening? It's really cool. It's on a train station, I think. Love that look. Yeah, nice edit. This photo is from Calabeater23. Thank you for using the hashtag. And here we have a nice shot of a kid in India. Oh, that is a so nice vibe. This shot is taken by Mudu Sama. Really nice. I love that vibe. And a cow in the background there. Cool. No, I lost the count of how many shots we got, but let's take some more. One more from Alone Travel. He has that cool edit mode. This bluish edit style. Nice one. And maybe we should stop with that one. June dusk. A nice heaven with many stars. Really cool shot. Okay, we take one more. One more is a street shot. A lady is coming through the street there in the background, and it's nice lighting. It's a dark shot. Really cool one from DK Matte Photography. Okay, one more. The last one, final one, is from Danny Fines in Manchester. One man sitting here talking in the phone. He has the sunglasses on and a big backpack. And people is stressing around in the background to their appointments, maybe. Love the shot. Thank you for using the hashtag Pure Nordic Vibe, and next video is out on Sunday. Yeah, and maybe I put one more in the week. Just hit that bell and you will get notified when I'm posting the next video. It's minimum one every week. I see you soon.